Guys, moving on to the next one, it is asking us what is the empirical formula of a molecule that has 40.68% carbon, 5.13 that should be percent hydrogen, and 54.19% oxygen. Okay, to set this up, we're dealing with our carbon, we're dealing with our hydrogen, we're dealing with our oxygen. We're going to assume that we have a 100-gram sample, meaning all we have to do to change these percents right here to grams is we just write them as grams. So we have, for carbon, we have 40.68 grams. For hydrogen, we have 5.13 grams. And for oxygen, we have 54.19 grams. Okay, now we're going to change these guys to moles. Okay, going from grams to moles, we divide by molar mass. So we're going to divide by our 12.011. We're going to divide by our hydrogen by 1.008 and our oxygen by 15.99. Okay, and we get our answers here, and this is the amount of moles that we're going to have in our molecule. So we have 3.38718. So the next one we have 5.0893, and the last one we have 3.3752. Okay, from here what we're going to do is we're going to divide by the smallest number, and that just happens to be right down here. Okay, so we're going to divide that guy on out by all of them. And so we'll come up here, divide there, we're going to divide again down there, and then we're going to divide again down there by the smallest number. Oop, put that guy back, sorry. Okay. And we see that we'll go ahead and show our division. Divide, divide, divide. And what we end up getting for after we divide by the smallest mole value, up here, since they're so close, right up here, since they're so close, it's going to be right around a 1. We're just going to round it to a 1. It's 1.00 something. In the middle, we get right around 1.51. And then here, obviously divide by itself, we get 1. Now remember, we have to have whole numbers. If we see right here, the 1.51 is not a whole number. So what we have to do is we start multiplying until we get a whole number. Now we're going to multiply each one of these. So we're going to go 1 times 2 is 2. 1.51 times 2 will give us a whole number right around 3, and then 1 times 1 is 2. So our formula that we're going to get is C2H3O2.